freeze watch remains in effect from late Wednesday night through Thursday morning. What? Sub-freezing temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s, where portions of northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas along and north of a line from Burbank to Claremore to Tahlequah to St. Paul. When, from late Wednesday night through Thursday morning, impacts. These conditions could kill plants and other tender vegetation that are left outdoors or unprotected. Precautionary preparedness actions. Vulnerable outdoor water pipes and hoses should be drained. Precautions should also be taken to protect small plants and tender vegetation.